I am the voice of Night Industry 2000's microprocessor, KITT for easy reference, KITT if you prefer.
Hey everyone, I'm super excited to introduce the HAZI Tech Pixel LED controller box version 2. Let's start by taking a quick look at what you will receive in this upgraded package. Main items include the new controller box with LED cabin display and the remote controller and IP68 waterproof LED strip for any weather condition with 10 feet of wire. Here, based on your application, you can customize the LED strip length. There are optional add-ons as well. You can order a spare remote controller just in case you need an extra, or you can order a cigarette lighter power plug equipped with on-off switch, fuse, LED indicator and 3 feet of wire. This is perfect for plug and play setup. You can simply plug this to your vehicle cigarette lighter adapter base like this, and you can use this switch to turn it on and off, and then you can connect these two wires, red to red, black to black, of this controller box. And also this is equipped with a fuse inside, so you can rotate this anti-clockwise, and here is the fuse for extra protection, and you can turn it back like this. So this is it. If your vehicle is equipped with this kind of a lighter plug base, I highly recommend you getting this as well. Now let's compare the version 2 box with the version 1 box. If you take a look at the version 1 box, you can see the power leads are coming in from this bottom side, and power switch is here, and you have had this LED strip connector and 2 buttons and the LED strips. That's pretty much it. And if you compare this with the control box version 2, you can see now the power leads are coming in from the top, and the on-off switch also placed right below the power leads. And now we have the higher gauge LED strip connector, and also you can see the USB-C power port here and 2 main buttons, and also here is the small function button as well. So you can use this USB-C port for basically the setup of this system, and also if you want to check the system out of your vehicle, you can simply get a USB-C power adapter. Any power adapter would work, and you can simply plug it in and it will work. So without the 12-volt power, you can now test your system. And you can even plug the main LED strip to here. I'll show you. Assuming this is the LED strip, and you can plug it in, and as you can see, all get powered with this USB plug. and this is for testing only, so you can run the entire system with the USB power, but for the full brightness and for the full performance you need to feed 12-volt power to these leads. So this is just for the setup and of the vehicle testing, you know. So let me disconnect this, and here's the box. I will disconnect this as well. Main differences are relocated on-off button and the power leads, and also addition of the function button. I'll show you what the function button does in the next video clip, and addition of this USB-C power port, and that is the physical differences. And this is much more capable and having a lot of features compared with this. I'll show you in a minute. And the other main improvement is this LED strip. Now, as I mentioned, we are using IP68 waterproof LED strips. As you can see, it is very much better and higher quality than what we used previously. So here is what we used in previous versions. This is IP65 waterproof LED strips. So as you can see, if you keep it side to side, you can see, you know, IP68 version is reinforced better with silicone glue, and it is actually slightly wider than this as well, and also thicker as well. And this is having, you know, authentic 3M double-sided foam backing tape as well. It is also water resistant, so you can paste it anywhere and it will hold it without getting, you know, removed. So this is a huge improvement, I would say. And if you need a, you know, better comparison of these two types of LED strips, IP68 versus IP65, with you know, sort of like lighting performance and all, you can click the link here and you can explore that video to see the clear differences of this. But now we are no longer using IP65 version. Now we are using IP68 for our projects, and you are getting IP68 improved LED strips, which is suitable to use even underwater with these systems without any additional cost. The price will be same, but you will get these improved LED strips. So here there are 4 buttons of the remote controller: A, B, C and D. A is for color changing. Like this, you can change the color of the patterns whenever you want, and this is like a single color, and as you can see, the color is displayed here. And if you cycle through, there's a auto color changing mode as well. So if you go to the auto color changing mode, you can see the next color is indicated with the first LED of this indicator. So next it's going to be like amber, and then it will be like cyan. So it will show that the system is in auto color mode, and it will show you the next color that you can expect. So with that A button, you can cycle through the colors as I showed you, and from the B button you can cycle through the patterns. So this is the normal Knight Rider, and this is the, you know, car type, you know, Knight Rider system, and this is the classic Knight Rider scanner that you have seen in the TV series, and this is the, you know, the modern Knight Rider design as you saw in the latest series, and this is also a variant of that. I change all with this B button, and if you select a particular button, you can always change the color with this top A button as I showed you. This is the single color mode, and when you go to the auto color mode, you know, next color will be showed with the first LED, and the design will be shown here. So it will cycle through all the colors. I'll get back to the normal color, and next button, this is also a variant of the new Knight Rider system, and this is like breathing effect.
You can change the speed of everything with this C button. C button is for speed controlling, and this is red and blue like police flashes, so you can go through the different police flashes like so. And this is the last button, and after the last button, if you click the color button again, it will go to the auto cycling mode and it will go through every pattern one after the other. I'll get back to the single pattern, and this is the police flash with amber color. Again, you can change the design with this, and this is the last button, and after that it will be like auto cycling mode, like auto color changing here, auto pattern changing for the police flashes. I'll go to the single color mode, and this will be the last pattern set. This is like rainbow color Knight Rider. The next one is like again rainbow color car kind of scanner, and this is like typical rainbow. This is like fire effect from both corners of the LED strip based on your requirement. And this is like sort of like red color flashing kind of a design. And this is also a breathing effect, but with center to edges and edges to center kind of a design. And this is like KITT talking, like KITT view meter kind of a thing, so it's sort of like randomly mimic like KITT is talking. And this is also like the fire effect with only red color. And this is like Knight Rider scanner with two colors. And now we are back again to the first design. So then that's it. So we cycle back to the first pattern set, and always you can change the pattern with this B button and cycle through the colors or the different animations of the police flashes with this. And C is for speed controlling. I will show you. This will be the fastest speed. Speed is indicated here from 1 to 8 LEDs. This is the fastest, and 1 means the slowest. Let's set it at 3. And this D button is for off. You can turn off the system with this. Single click will off. And if you want to restart the system, you can press either A or B. Turn off, turn on.
Now let me show you the functions of these buttons. So with the right hand side button, you can cycle through the colors like this. It is same as the button A of the remote controller, like auto color changing mode also there. So you can basically cycle through all the colors with the right hand side button. With the left hand side button, you can cycle through the main 10 patterns, that car scanner, old KITT scanner, likewise breathing, flashes, rainbow. Likewise, you can cycle through the main patterns with this left button, and you can change the colors of these with the right hand side button. And for speed changing, you can press and hold the function button, and when you press the right hand side button, it will change the speed of the system. So if you press the function button alone, it won't do anything, but function button plus the right hand side button, it will change the speed. And now we have added a brand new feature to this controller. Now you can control the brightness of this control box LED strip. It has nothing to do with the main LED strip. Main LED strip with always light with its maximum brightness, but based on the location that you mount this control box, this LED strip may be too bright for your eyes if you are doing night driving. So now you have the option of controlling the brightness of this. So what you can do is you can hold the function button and press the left hand button. You can see the white color indicator. 8 means full brightness, and 1 means the lowest brightness. So likewise, you can choose what brightness level you like. You can see it better to your naked eyes. Let me turn off the lights so you can have a better understanding. So this is the maximum brightness, and this is the lowest brightness. So likewise, you can set it as you want. So now I think you have a better understanding on what this V2 system does and how advanced the system compared with the version 1. So version 1 had only 26 patterns. Now we have 90 patterns with the brightness controlling of this LED strip, and you can also have in that auto color changing or auto pattern changing mode as well, and everything is saved in the memory. Even you power cycle the system, and this is much more advanced than the version 1, and this entire system is offering at the same price of the version 1. So if you have already purchased the version 1, you know how it is, and the same prices will be applicable here. So if you are a new customer and if you want to place an order, you can contact me through this WhatsApp number or this email, and you can send your inquiry to me, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if you have any questions, and if you want to get a reply soon, you can put a comment to this YouTube video, and I will get back to you guys soon. So thank you very much. If you enjoy this video and if you think this is one of the best night rider systems out there, please like, comment and share this video to show it to your friends, and appreciate your support as always. Thank you very much. Have a great day.